How to install a Smart Alert Tech sensor. Find the instruction manual in your box. It will give detailed instructions for the use of this Smart Alert Tech smart sensor. If you require instructions that are easy to read, then we've got them on the product page for the item. Now you can set up your smart sensor. Don't forget the batteries. To install the batteries, open the sensor case by twisting the bottom counterclockwise. Once the batteries are installed, leave the sensor open, as you will need to press the button on the inside of the case. Once you've done this, download the app via either the QR code in the instruction manual or by searching for Smart Alert Tech where you download apps. Set up your account with an email you have access to and enter your verification code from the email sent to you. Now set a password and be sure to keep track of your login information. Your smart device should automatically default to the correct settings, but to ensure this, we're going to check the settings. Exit the Smart Alert Tech app and go to your settings on your smart device. Scroll down to Smart Alert Tech on the list and ensure you allow access to all elements of the app. Return to the Smart Alert Tech app and let's set up your home in the app. Tap Me at the bottom right corner of the app, then tap Home Management. Create a home. Name your home whatever you'd like it to be and set your location. Also, select any of the rooms that you would like to include and tap Save. Navigate back to the home screen. Now that you've set up your home, click at the top left corner of the screen, the drop-down menu, and select the home that you just created. Now let's set up the sensor. Tap Add Device in the center of the screen, or tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Then tap Add Device. Now tap Others, and then Motion Sensor. You will now be asked to enter your Wi-Fi credentials for your home network. We have FAQs for this step if you have problems. Always choose to log on to the 2.4 GHz network, as 5 GHz can be unstable with our products. Tap Next. Now find the button on the inside of the sensor and hold it down until it blinks. Confirm that it's blinking in the app and then tap Next. Once the app has successfully connected with the sensor, tap Done. To name the sensor, tap the pen icon in the top right of the screen. Tap it once more and then tap Name. You can now rename the sensor whatever you'd like. Once done, tap Confirm. For more information, visit our website at smartalerttech.com.